Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us first understand the key concept here. Electrophilic aromatic substitution, EAS, reactivity and regioselectivity are governed by the electronic nature of the substituent already on the ring. Electron-donating groups, EDGs, activate the ring faster than benzene and direct ortho-para. Electron-withdrawing groups, EWGs, deactivate the ring slower than benzene and direct meta. Moving on to the next step. ACH3, alkyl EDG by hyperconjugation induction activating OP director faster than benzene. BN, CH3, 2-dialkylamino strong EDG by resonance strongly activating OP director much faster than benzene. CSO3H, sulfonic acid EWG deactivating, meta director slower than benzene. DNO2, nitro strong EWG by resonance strongly deactivating, meta director slower than benzene. EOCH3, methoxy EDG by resonance activating, OP director faster than benzene. FNHC is equal to O, CH3, acetamido EDG by resonance, lone pair on N donated to ring, despite carbonyl, activating, OP director faster than benzene. GN plus, CH3, 3, quaternary ammonium strong EWG by induction, positive charge, deactivating, meta director slower than benzene. HC, CH3, 3, tert-butyl EDG by hyperconjugation induction, alkyl, activating, OP director faster than benzene. IC is equal to O, CH to CH3, propanol ketone EWG by resonance deactivating, meta director slower than benzene. JBr, bromo weak EWG by induction, but OP director by resonance deactivating, slower than benzene, but OP director. Moving on to the next step. Answer A, faster than benzene is equal to activated rings compounds with EDGs A, CH3, B, N, CH3, 2, E, OCH3, F, NHAC, H, C, CH3, 3, A, B, E, F, H. And for the final step. Answer B, meta substitution under electrophilic bromination is equal to meta directors compounds with EWGs that are meta directors C. So 3H, D, number 2, G, N plus, CH3, 3, I, C is equal to O, C, D, G, I. Why J is excluded from both answers? Bromobenzene, Br, is OP directing, resonance donation overrides inductive withdrawal for regioselectivity, so it does not give meta products. It is also deactivated, slower than benzene, so it does not belong in answer A. The note confirms it is less reactive than benzene, but OP directing, excluding it from both A and B. Therefore, the correct answer is A, B, E, F, H, B, C, D, G, I. Note yet C6H5Br is less reactive than C6H6 but OP directing. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches A, B, E, F, H, B matches C, D, G, I. Not matches yet C6H5Br is less reactive than C6H6 but OP directing.